Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a zip on a kaftan. We'll start by identifying common zipper problems, such as fabric snags or misaligned teeth, which are often simple to resolve. Then, we'll explore solutions for a stiff or stuck zipper, including effective lubrication techniques. Finally, we'll cover how to address more complex issues like a broken slider, ensuring your kaftan zipper works perfectly again. For a fabric snag, gently pull the material away from the zipper teeth while slowly moving the slider. If teeth are misaligned, use needle nose pliers to carefully bend them back into place. Apply a small amount of graphite from a pencil or a specialized zipper lubricant along the teeth. This helps the slider glide smoothly. Test the zipper by slowly moving it up and down several times to ensure it operates freely. To free a stuck zipper, lubrication is key. A common household item like a graphite pencil works wonders. Simply rub the pencil lead along both sides of the zipper teeth. Alternatively, a specialized zipper lubricant or even a bar of soap can be effective. Apply the chosen lubricant generously, then gently work the slider up and down a few times. This helps distribute the lubricant, allowing the zipper to glide smoothly and freely. If your zipper slider is broken, replacement is often the best solution. First, purchase a new slider that matches the size and type of your kaftan zipper. Carefully use pliers to remove the old, damaged slider from the zipper track. Then, gently slide the new slider onto the top of the zipper teeth. Once in place, use pliers to crimp the bottom zipper stop, securing the new slider and ensuring your kaftan zipper functions perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.